We're both recording a video at the same time, me and Aiden.
I'm
Aiden TV.
with Matthew, and today,
Yeah. Woohoo.
Six.
Oh God. Aiden TV, are you sure you want to do this, Aiden TV? Really?
Yeah, but I'm scared. I don't want to die though.
You're not gonna die, Aiden TV.
Who is?
Nobody. It remains a mystery. How about you watch Flamingo? Flamingo the YouTuber. Yeah, Flamingo and Tofu.
I don't want to die.
You're not gonna die. If you want my real name, it's Matthew, but his real name is Aiden. Obviously. We all know.
Yeah, but we're not posting this on YouTube because they will probably hack our channel.
No, that's not true. We're not gonna get hacked, people. Okay, so are you gonna do it?
Be there for you because we love you.
Yeah, we love all your support and subscribers.
Yeah.
Even though I only have 3, I don't care. I really want more than that.
No, now you have 4.
I do?
Yeah.
Oh, probably because you did it, but I don't care.
No, somebody else did that.
Oh, seriously, that's pretty cool. My brother subscribed to my channel, and that just makes it bad. But, guys, I really, really want for you in the comment section. I know I can't see in the comment section down below.
For all your support, I'm going to thank you all for subscribing to me.
And that's why we're doing a YouTube crossover, basically.
And I'm so thankful.
2 YouTubers in 1. Yeah, I'm basically his friend in real life, so I know it. Are you calling it? Are you going to call? 666?
No, you do it.
I can't, but then I have to hang up on you. I don't want to hang up on you. Okay, sorry guys. I can't. Do you want me to hang up on you? I seriously can't.
But when you're done,
yeah?
FaceTime me, okay?
Okay, I'll do it. Alright, so guys, you're not gonna see him right now? Alright, but we're doing this. Okay, FaceTime. Ready. Ready guys? Okay. Enter. Oh god, this could be 666 666 666. Oh wait, I put an N in that. I know you can't see, but I'm actually doing this like right now. I'm the stupidest person in the world. I'm the stupidest. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. Guys, I can't. I just can't. Oh, I'm gonna call back my friend. Okay. I'm calling my friend back.
So yeah, guys, what now? What?
I can't do it. It's not working. I don't know what. Guys, seriously, it's not working. I know you guys can't see it. You only can see my face.
Did you type in 666?
I typed in 666 666 666. Nothing happened.
That's his phone number?
I don't know. Maybe he doesn't have a phone. Maybe he burned it in the flames. Who knows?
Exactly.
Or maybe he had a computer and he burned it in the flames.
Woo!
Or maybe he had nothing.
Woo! Thank God. Thank God, guys. Thank God. My wish came true.
Yeah, your wish. Guys,
My wish came true. I was praying for God.
I love collecting badges in Roblox.
There's this new blind bag that I'm going to get.